My name is Heitor Figueiredo Sobral Torres, my full name. I was born in Aracaju around 32 years ago and lived in this beachside sunny city in the Brazilian Northeast region, and I spent my childhood and my teenage years there. I am a diplomat. I joined the Brazilian Public Service some years ago in 2013, and since March 2021 I have been working here at the Brazilian Permanent Mission to the United Nations in New York. Diplomats usually engage in lots of simultaneous negotiations, and these negotiations are always full of meetings, and I am no different. So while peace and security issues in the sub-Saharan Africa are my main concerns at the moment, and especially at the UN, the United Nations Security Council, I also work with reforms in the multilateral system, in the General Assembly, in the UN General Assembly, and I follow initiatives such as the ones linked to the United Nations 75th anniversary, which took place last year in 2020, and also the coalition, the so-called coalition for the United Nations we want. I believe that the experience at the United Nations, the Security Council, and the General Assembly in particular have made me much more aware of the challenges that millions of people face every day. So, if the UN or the General Assembly deals with big problems that seem unsolvable, like climate change, like famine, like conflicts, racism, economic inequality, these are very serious, very tough issues, but no country and no international organization is able to solve them on their own and at once. So, if you are trying to make a difference, and if you'd like to make a difference, chances are that you, like me, are going to work with a smaller piece. So try to find where you can place your passion, your interest, or maybe what bothers you the most. Start reading about it, and especially nowadays, when we are able to read and watch and listen to a lot of new information about the themes that engage us, try to do it before thinking about solving it, because no one tackles an issue before knowing a little bit or a lot about the issue.